Another day, another unboxing. So today we are unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2, which I imported from Singapore. So this costed me 60,000 rupees. Yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. So here's the console. So this is the console. These are the ports. You have got the game cartridge slot, 3.5 mm headphone jack, high-speed USB-C charger, volume rockers, power on key. At the bottom you have got another C type which you can use to dock the Nintendo Switch, vents for cooling, and a kickstand. Let's keep it to the side. इसके अलावा बॉक्स में आपको मिलेगा 2 Joy-Cons. This is in blue color. And you get one in red color. Along with this, we have got 2 Joy-Con straps. Nintendo Switch 2 important information guide. High-speed HDMI 2.1 cable, which is branded, of course. Let's move on to the next section. And then we have the Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con grip. Next we have the high-speed charger from Nintendo. This is 65-watt USB-C charger, if you can see, branded by Nintendo. High-speed USB-C to USB-C cable. I'll show it to you how it looks. And this is the most important part of the Nintendo Switch 2, which is the dock. Now this dock gives you the capability to play any game in 4K 120. So if you can see, this is a very high quality dock from Nintendo Switch. Some ventilation. And then you have got USB-A connection. And if you press this, this is where you put the AC adapter, HDMI out, and a LAN port. So yeah, this is the dock for the Nintendo Switch. So this was the unboxing experience of the Nintendo Switch 2. These are the things that we get. Once again, the Nintendo Switch 2 console, 2 Joy-Cons, 1 high-speed Ultra 2.1 HDMI, 65-watt power brick, high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable, 1 Nintendo 2 Joy-Con 2 grip, and the dock. If you want to see the installation and how to set up the Nintendo Switch 2, there's going to be another part coming soon. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.